Let us learn about the parts of our body. This is my hair. This is my head. These are my eyes. These are my ears. This is my nose. These are my cheeks. This is my mouth. This is my shoulder. These are my hands. These are my fingers. This is my stomach. These are my knees. These are my legs. These are my toes. Answer the following questions. What do you do with your eyes? I see with my eyes. What do you do with your ears? I hear with my ears. What do you do with your nose? I smell with my nose. What do you do with your mouth? I eat with my mouth. What do you do with your hands? I work with my hands. What do you do with your legs? I walk with my legs.